In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this cocoon for a baby. The materials that I used are 2 balls of each color of the yarn, 2 shades of pink to make the degrade effect. The recommended needle is between 3 and 4 millimeters. I used a 6 millimeters crochet hook, scissors and buttons. To make the degrade effect, you have to join 2 strands of yarn at the same time. You have to join 2 strands of the dark pink then 1 strand of the dark pink with 1 strand with the light pink, and then 2 strands of the light pink. If you want to continue adding more colors, you have to change 1 strand each time. Start making a chain of the width of the cocoon. In my case, I will make a chain of 38 centimeters. Once you have the chain, you have to chain 3. And you have to make 1 double crochet on each chain, 1 double crochet on each chain to the end. Once you are at the end, you have to chain 3, or if you want, you can start the row like this instead of chain 3. And then, taking only the back loops of the stitch, you have to make 1 double crochet on each double crochet. Remember, taking only the back loops, 1 double crochet to the end. Once you are at the end, you have to make the same, chain 3 or start like this. And then, taking only the back loops, 1 double crochet to the end. It's really easy. You only have to make double crochet taking the back loops. Here you can see the stitch. I made a small sample, and you have to continue working this stitch, the double crochet, taking the back loops to have 1 meter. Once you have the length of the cocoon, you have to take a needle and sew the top part of the cocoon to make the hood. Take a needle and sew the top part. And once you made the top part, now you have to make an edge around all the cocoon. Place the yarn and make 1 double crochet on each double crochet on the bottom part. Once you are at the corner, you have to make 2 double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the same space. And continue making the border on the sides of the cocoon. And then make all the sides also on the hood and to the other side. And remember, at the corner you have to make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet and join to close the border. Once you finish, you have to sew the buttons on the top of the bottom part. You don't have to make buttonholes, you only have to sew the buttons and the double crochet, and you can use the double crochet as buttonholes. So you only have to sew the buttons and you finished your cocoon.